Hello guys. If your Fanimation ceiling fan remote suddenly stops working and the fan no longer responds to speed or light controls, it can definitely become upsetting when everything seemed completely normal before. Sometimes the Fanimation ceiling fan responds once and then suddenly stops, while other times the remote buttons seem completely inactive no matter how many times they are pressed. A problem like this can happen because of battery issues, signal interruptions, pairing problems, or temporary power glitches that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many Fanimation ceiling fan remote issues can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a Fanimation ceiling fan remote not working. Try these. Step 1. Check the batteries inside the Fanimation ceiling fan remote if buttons suddenly stop responding. Step 2. Replace weak batteries in the Fanimation ceiling fan remote if response feels inconsistent. Step 3. Point the Fanimation ceiling fan remote directly toward the Fanimation ceiling fan without blockage. Step 4. Turn power to the Fanimation ceiling fan off briefly and then back on again. Step 5. Reconnect or pair the Fanimation ceiling fan remote if the fan still does not respond properly. Step 6. Test the Fanimation ceiling fan remote again and confirm the Fanimation ceiling fan works normally.